Firstly, remove the nut from the gassing port. Then connect the end of the inflation tube with pressure gauge and valve to the gassing port. Pay attention to loosen the valve and fix it with an adjustable wrench. Then connect the other end of the inflation tube to the nitrogen bottle and tighten mounting nuts. Then turn clockwise to open the valve of the inflation tube, and a numerical value will be displayed on the pressure gauge that. Judge the pressure value according to the model. If the current pressure is low, you need to slowly turn on the switch of the nitrogen bottle to inflate. Stop inflation when the pressure gauge reaches a certain value. Upon finishing the inflation, close the nitrogen cylinder valve and the pressure gauge and valve successively. Finally, remove the inflation tool to prevent air leakage. We will let you know how to determine the pressure value before signing off. And to illustrate this, let's first evacuate the nitrogen cylinder. Rotate the top in the middle of the inflation tube valve upwards to deflate. Since the upper tool rest will fall when the nitrogen is empty, we must pay attention to personal safety during deflation. Now follow the previous steps to open the two valves to inflate the nitrogen cylinder until the upper tool rest is lifted. Check the value of the pressure gauge after that. The inflation pressure is generally 2 to 3 megapascals higher than the current value. For example, the pressure value was 2 megapascals when the tool holder was raised, and now the pressure value reaches a little more than 4 megapascals.